Welcome to Alveoli e-learning. Today, we are starting something powerful. We are entering a world you cannot see, but a world that keeps you alive every second. This is the world of biochemistry and molecular cell biology. Imagine you eat banku and soup. You chew it, you swallow it. But what happens next? Inside your body, chemicals begin to work. Carbohydrates become glucose. Proteins become amino acids. Fats become fatty acids. Special proteins called enzymes break them down. Energy is released and stored as ATP. That entire chemical process is called biochemistry. Now let's zoom in. Your body is made of tiny units called cells. Inside each cell, there is a control center called the nucleus. Inside the nucleus is DNA, the instruction manual of life. Biochemistry is the study of chemical reactions inside the body, how enzymes work, how nutrients become energy, how drugs affect the body. Remember, without enzymes, life cannot continue. DNA tells the cell when to grow, when to divide, what proteins to produce, when to stop dividing. This study of how cells function at the molecular level is called molecular cell biology. It focuses on DNA, RNA, proteins, cell communication, cell division. Cancer occurs when cell division control is lost. Biochemistry explains how the chemicals work. Molecular cell biology explains how the cell uses those chemicals. Think of it like this: biochemistry, the fuel and energy; molecular cell biology, the engine using the fuel. Without fuel, the engine stops. Without an engine, fuel is useless. They work together. Life equals cells plus chemicals plus communication. 1, 2, 3. That's the equation for life. Cells, molecular cell biology. Chemicals, biochemistry. Communication, cell signaling. At the end of this course, you must be able to explain basic biochemical reactions, identify cell structures and their functions, describe DNA and protein synthesis, explain how cells communicate, connect molecular changes to disease. As a nurse or health professional, diabetes begins with molecular problems. Cancer begins with DNA mutations. Drugs act on enzymes and receptors. Infections affect cellular processes. If you understand this course, pharmacology becomes easier, pathology becomes clearer, clinical reasoning becomes stronger. At Alveoli e-learning, we simplify everything for you. This course is not just theory, it is the foundation of medicine. If you understand molecules and cells, you understand life itself. Watch next video for questions and answers section.